Hey guys, it's Justine from JustPlans and welcome back to another video. Today I am memory planning using this Nikki Plus Three kit. It's called Mulberry Harvest and I love the bold gold foil here and the dark moody colors. Definitely a little out of my comfort zone, but if you're interested in this type of content, please consider subscribing and yep, let's get into it. Oh, this week I am changing it up. I'm gonna start with the top left-hand corner box. I bet you thought I was gonna start with the bottom washi, huh? But no, yeah, I just wanted to just switch it up a little bit. I don't know. The bow headers that I pulled in are from Tasseled Planner. Again, I'm using my rose-colored days, date dot tapes for the dates, and I just love that tape. This kit is again so out of my comfort zone. I'm really not used to these like dark burgundy, maroon, purple colors, but this came out really pretty. This is actually the first time that I've used a Nikki Plus Three kit, and I had a lot of fun with it, except if you might have seen my Instagram, but I spilled wine all over my stickers. Like right when I sat down to plan the daily plans, like starting with Monday, I spilled wine all over everything, and thankfully this is premium matte paper, which means that it's a bit like water resistant. So I was able to salvage a lot of the stickers and then pull in some leftover stickers from my stash. But that was like, that was an experience. I had basically, no, not basically, I had a full glass of wine and I just knocked it over. And all over my stickers, all over my desk, my functional planner got wet too. Thankfully, my memory planner did not. I am so happy about that. Whew, I think I like dodged a bullet there. Okay, let's see. I decided to switch out these headers to the confetti headers from Sweet Bella XOXO that I'm putting down now. I thought they matched pretty nicely with the top strip of the bottom washi, and the headers that I put down initially were a bit too busy. So let's see. Starting with Monday, I decided not to mark my 1 meeting at work just because that gets a little boring after a while. So I'm marking down that I played fetch, and I can't believe, like, why is this stalled for so long? Hold on. Okay, that's better. I guess I just forgot to shorten that clip a little bit. Okay, so I just pulled in that like ball fetch icon from Crafts by Tally. If you watched my last video, you know that I had a lot of fails with my car the weekend before this. So I finally was able to take my car to the auto shop today. I am marking that I took Marcel to the auto shop. That is the name of my car. I feel like, oh my God, I really did not do a good job editing this. Wow. That's way longer than I usually like to have it. I guess I just missed this entire clip. Wow. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay. So next, on the way back from the auto shop, we decided to stop by Shake Shack, and we brought my dog because he was in the car. We like went to play fetch, then we went to the auto shop, then we went to Shake Shack, and we got my dog a Puccini, and it was so cute watching him like lick it up and eat the biscuit, and I think he really liked it. So I am using this really pretty floral frame from Megby Makes. This is from like I think the cool colorway. I'm marking Shake Shack, and in a few seconds you will hear me spill my wine.
My stickers!
Yes, I definitely whined to my boyfriend about spilling my stickers. That's yeah. I am such a big baby, but I flashed you some stickers that I was able to save, and then some stickers that I'm actually planning my kit for next week. The colors match really well with the colors of this kit, so I decided to try to pull those in if I needed to. But yeah, that was fun. I don't know if I've learned my lesson quite yet. I feel like I will still be drinking wine when I plan, but maybe I'll try to be more careful and put it like on the other side of my desk. Okay, so of course I had to mark Animal Crossing at the end of Monday. I just pulled in a switch sticker from Panda Bird Design. Love that, really cute. We had an all staff meeting on Tuesday, so pulled in the Panda Girl, Panda Bird Design Girl. You guys know that girl. And then I was able to pick up my car from the auto shop. He is fine. You guys know about the battery issue, so I had to replace the battery, but also the brakes were like the rear brakes needed to be replaced as well. And then the brake fluid flush or whatever. I don't know anything about cars. But yeah, so that's great. I'm glad that he's working and I can drive him and I don't have to rely on my man to like take me anywhere. Really happy about that. I think I've learned my lesson and I will try to drive him at least once a week or once every 2 weeks or so. Okay, so at the end of the night, I drink some wine and I memory planned last week, which was the week I twin kitted with my girl Connie. And yeah, um, that was great. Love winding down. Okay, on Wednesday, oh my God, I woke up super late, like later than I start work, which is so embarrassing. I guess I didn't wake up, or I mean, obviously, I didn't wake up to my alarm. That was so bad. I woke up literally like 10 minutes before my first meeting of the day, and this was a very jam-packed meeting day. That was really, really, I don't know, that got me up real quick. Okay, so I'm pulling in these fall deco stickers from Ruby J Design. They are just clear overlays of leaves and like similar to what people were doing with the foil florals, like laying them over things and just scattering them around their spreads. I am trying to do that with these leaves, and I want to say it was definitely a little difficult just because of the shape of these. They are so like thick, I guess. So it was very difficult to like like put them in places where they would look nice. But I do really like the effect that they give. I love how it, just reinforces the autumn feel of the spread and everything. Um, but yeah, sorry, I talked through the rest of Wednesday, but my man did have a job interview on Wednesday, and that was really exciting. And then I had a tummy ache for the rest of the night. So I had a lot of Tums. I don't know if anyone listening is a Tums lover, but I totally am a huge advocate for Tums. If you ever have a tummy ache, take Tums. It will change your life. Okay, Thursday, just marking down one of the meetings I had with the Panic Bird Design Girl. I don't know why I can't say that. Then, of course, I played some Animal Crossing, so I pulled in that same switch with some floral from the kit. To mark that I was looking at new apartments, I cut down a washi strip from the kit into a flag and then pulled in a checklist from Sweet Bell XOXO that's just leftover. Leaf deco from Ruby J Designs, which I do have a coupon code for. That'll be linked down below. And this like swooshy from Sticky Sloth Designs is so pretty. I do shift that over a little bit here. Yep. Because I think it looks better like that. And then at the end of the night, I did read a book. But yeah, I don't know about you, but I'm definitely someone who, like, when I get a thought in my head and I get really excited about it, I will research and look that up like obsessively. I will spend the next week or 2 weeks just all I'm doing is like looking at options and like fantasizing about the idea and all that. And then like eventually it kind of just slips my mind and like I get over it, but like definitely at the very initiation of a thought, I am very, very like gung ho about it. So, yeah, I've been thinking about moving. But anyway, on Friday, my man, he got the job offer. We found out from the interview that he had on Wednesday. So that was super, super exciting. We like drank some champagne and we spent some quality time together that night, and it was just really relaxing and really, really nice. I don't know. I mean, I think most people who live with their significant other will understand this, or like a good amount of people will understand this, but like even though we live together, we don't always have like quality time together. Like we are always physically together, like in like the same room or the same space, but we're very often or the majority of time doing our own thing. So it's really nice to just, you know, hang out, relax, enjoy each other's company, that kind of thing. So, really enjoyed that. That was a nice time. On a Saturday, I woke up early and I finally did some yoga meditation. That was great. I was really proud of myself for doing that because you guys know I've been really struggling. I also filmed, edited, and uploaded a plan with me. That was my plan with me from last week. So I layered some half boxes, used a filming icon from Cross by Towie, and then some leaf deco. And then I also played Animal Crossing, of course. Like basically I play Animal Crossing every single day, but I don't um if I have something more interesting to mark, I will mark that instead just because it does get very no, I was gonna say competitive. Repetitive if I mark it every single day. But okay, and then at the end of the night, we did bathe our dog, which if you have a dog, you know that that is an ordeal. So mark that with a pretty scallop from Panda Bird Design and a paw print icon from Cross by Tally. So yeah, I am very, very excited to um, I don't know what am I saying. Okay. Sunday, Sunday, I started the day with a matcha latte. I have been loving matcha lattes lately, mostly because it is way easier than making an espresso latte because I don't have to brew espresso. Like literally, matcha lattes are the lazy man's latte. Okay, so I pulled in a teacup from Rose and Tea Shop and a little side bow from Harry Ray Designs. It's really, really pretty. And I this day I finally got my eyebrows done. This was the first time since March that I had got them done, and they were looking real bad. Real bad. I tried to keep them under control, but I'm also lazy. So I was very, very happy to finally get my eyebrows done. There is a place near me that does the threading, but in a way that like, is safe during the, COVID and all that. So, and they also like have a lot of precautions. They have a ton of hand sanitizer. They check your temperature when you get in and all that. So I was really happy and I felt like really good about their precautions that they were taking. After that, we went to Costco, which is always fun. We got a shit ton of Perrier. Like, literally, we got 4 cases of Perrier because we are obsessed with fizzy water right now. And then at the end of the night, we did go to my boyfriend's parents' house and had some pie, some home baked pie that his mom made from scratch. It was really, really, really good. And here's the final spread. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.